We have made procedural skin bumps, and now we need to bake it into texture. It will make render faster, and bumps will correctly follow mesh deformation. You can bake it in one texture, but I'm gonna use separate normal map for bumps. At first, make new texture and give it a name. Here, I disconnect my main normal map from procedural setup. In Bake settings, set Bake type to normal. Select Mesh and Texture and press Bake. After Bake is done, save texture and set color space to non-color. Now you can use Mix RGB node in overlay mode to combine normal maps. Thank you for watching, and special thanks to my Patreon supporters.